MGI was on site at 421 Pine Avenue in Oshawa, Ontario. The site was formerly the location for Durham Alternative Secondary School. It's just shy of 13,000 square feet with a structure made up of mostly wood and concrete. The site sits on the corner of Durham Region's largest shopping mall, the Oshawa Centre, which is the largest in Ontario east of Toronto with over 230 retail stores and public services. We made way for future expansion and development. For the time being, the area has been returned to green space.